Hey guys, are you want to buy best wall outlets with USB ports? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best wall outlets with USB ports that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now, let's get started. Starting at Amico. Outlet USB ports. The Amico 2C+1A USB wall outlet brings modern convenience to your space with its upgraded dual USB-C and single USB-A ports, allowing you to charge multiple devices at once. Delivering a combined 30 West output, 5 volts DC 6.0A. It ensures fast, efficient charging for newer smartphones, tablets, and high-demand gadgets. Compatible with Apple, Samsung, BC 1.2, and other standard USB charging protocols excluding laptops. It offers stable, reliable power every time. Safety is a priority with tamper-resistant outlets to keep out foreign objects, flame-resistant materials meeting UL 9 for standards, and a dust-preventive design for long-lasting durability. ETL certified for quality. This outlet combines performance with peace of mind. Plus, Amico backs it with 3-year product support and responsive customer service within 12 hours. Perfect for home or office. It's a smart upgrade for anyone needing speed, safety, and multi-device charging. Now, our second product is Mifaso outlet. USB ports. The Mifaso Surge Protector Power Strip is a reliable solution for both home and office, offering 6 AC outlets and 4 smart USB charging ports to power multiple devices simultaneously. With a 900 joule surge protection rating, it safeguards your electronics like computers, TVs, and appliances from voltage spikes, surges, and fluctuations. The 4 USB ports, 5 volts, 2.4A each, shared 3.1A auto-detect devices for optimal charging speed. Its upgraded 5-foot UL-approved heavy-duty extension cord 14 AWG 15A features a right-angle plug and 2 keyhole mounting tabs for flexible installation. Safety is prioritized with overload protection, a lighted power switch, fire-resistant material rated to 1382 degrees Fahrenheit, and a built-in circuit breaker. The slim, compact design helps reduce clutter, while ETL listing ensures quality and safety. Backed by 12 months of worry-free service, this surge protector blends performance, protection, and convenience in one sleek package. Our third product is Tessan Outlet USB Ports. A Tessan 7-in-1 outlet splitter is a compact, travel-friendly solution for powering multiple devices at once. It transforms a single socket into 4 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, supporting up to 7 devices simultaneously, 125 volts, 10A, 1250 max. The 4-sided AC outlet design allows you to plug in bulky adapters without blocking each other, making it perfect for shared spaces. Its 3 USB-A ports, 12 West max per port, intelligently detect devices for optimal charging speed, ideal for phones, tablets, and earphones. Weighing just 3.7 ounces and measuring 3.13x 1.18x 2.21. It easily fits in a backpack or suitcase with no surge protection or cords. It's cruise compliant and a great space saver for homes, offices, and dorms. Plus, its vertical plug design won't block other wall sockets, helping you create an efficient charging station anywhere. Now, number 4. Topgreener Outlet USB Ports. This in-wall 2-port USB charging outlet is a smart, space-saving upgrade for any room. It features 1 USB-C port 3A and 1 USB-A port 2.4A for a combined max output of 3.6A, plus 2 15A tamper-resistant AC outlets, letting you power appliances while charging up to 3 USB devices simultaneously. No bulky adapters needed. Perfect for kitchens, bedrooms, living rooms, or commercial spaces. It uses patented IntelliCheap technology to deliver optimal charging speeds without overcharging or overheating. The tamper-resistant shutters comply with 2017 NEC Article 406. 12. Ensuring added safety. Its sleek white decorator design blends seamlessly with modern interiors, and the back and side wiring makes installation straightforward. UL listed for reliability, it also includes a matching wall plate, a practical, stylish solution for keeping devices powered and spaces uncluttered. And our last choice is Tessan Surge Protector Outlet USB ports. This 11-in-1 power strip is a versatile charging solution for home, office, or dorm. With 8 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, including a 3A USB-C and dual 2.4A USB-A, it can power up to 11 devices at once without blocking plugs, keeping your space neat and organized. The ultra-thin 0.31 inches flat head and 45 right-angle design fit easily behind furniture, maximizing space. Built-in $9 surge protection, along with overload, short circuit, and overcurrent safeguards, ensures your electronics stay safe. The reliable on-off switch adds extra control, automatically shutting off in emergencies. Its mountable design with 2 keyhole slots and 4 anti-slip rubber feet makes it perfect for walls, desks, or under counters. Ideal for powering and protecting everything from laptops to smartphones. This power strip combines convenience, safety, and smart space-saving design. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.